What is up guys? Hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to a new video. In this video I will be unboxing and giving you guys my first hand impressions and hands-on on the new Galaxy A21s. And for this video I have the 4 and 128 gig variant. There are multiple variants available, one of which the 464 is a very famous one, and the 4 and 128 that I have right now. So without further chit chat, let's dive into the phone. So it says A21s right on the side, other side is clear, sticker on top and a seal on the bottom. So let's cut the plastic first. So it's just a sleeve protecting this, and then we have a tab up here. So this tab, okay. So in this tab we should have our paperwork. So yeah, so we have a paperwork, our warranty card, warranty information and all. We don't have a case, which I was expecting to get, but and then we have the A21s in all its glory. So we're gonna put it onto the side and check it out in just a bit. Other than that, in the box we have our SIM injecting pin tool, that is. Then we have our charger. It's rated at 5 watts and 2 amps, so it's a fast charger. And then we have our cable. I think it's a type C. So yeah, it's a type C cable, I think. Yeah, it's a type C. And other than that, we don't get earphones, which is surprising, but okay, so that will do. So that's all that there is in the box. And then here we have our A21s. So yeah, some of the features are already listed above, like the Infinity O display, the quad camera setup, and the fingerprint scanner that's on the back. So yeah, let's just first get rid of this all. So firstly, hands-on, one thing I do feel after using a lot of phones, this phone clearly has a plastic build on the sides and as well as on the back. But look at that, 4 cameras. You can see those. 4 cameras right there on the back with a flash, a fingerprint scanner. Right on the bottom, we have a headphone jack, which we surprisingly don't get to see that much. A Type C connector for charging the phone, a loudspeaker. On the side we have our volume rockers and a power button. On the top we only have a microphone, and on the side we have the SIM slot. On the front, the 6.5-inch display and the Infinity O display, the cutout slot for the camera. So let's power this phone on and let's see if this has any juice. Okay, it does. So I'll be back with you guys in a moment after I've set it up and it's ready to go. So see you guys on the other side. Okay, so I'm back after setting this phone up. It's all set, ready to go. And one thing I'd say right off the bat, that I'm not used to looking at this display. So the camera cutout does catch my eye. It does get my attention every single time whenever I look at the display. And otherwise, holding on to the phone, I've used the E30 before, and honestly, holding the A21s reminds me of it so much. It's almost familiar if you hold it, but when you turn it out to the back, the 4 cameras, it's completely different from the A30. And also the UI, it's typical Samsung UI. If you're a Samsung user watching, you'll know how the UI works, you'll be familiar. And this phone in particular, the A21s, it comes with Android 10, as you guys can see. So the A21s, it does come with Android 10. Also, when it comes to the phone's camera, it does come with live focus, which allows you to get blur photos in the same price, because of course it's got 4 cameras, so it's gonna be easy. Other than that, both the front camera and the rear camera allow you to record HD videos at 30 fps. Unfortunately, you don't get 60 fps with them for the videos as well in a lot of features. And in the photos, this is normal photo mode, and this is a wide angle photo mode, and same goes for the front camera and all in other those traits. So that's all there is for the unboxing and hands-on, and I will be uploading its full review of whether you guys should get it or not in about a week of usage. After I've used it about for a week and all, I will upload a video telling you guys that whether should you guys get it or not, or you should probably go for something else. And other than that, that's all for this video. I will be uploading the full review in about a week, so if you're new to the channel, do smash subscribe and hit the bell icon so you guys will be notified whenever I upload that video. And yeah, that's all for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a like, smash subscribe if you're new here to the channel, and I will see you guys next time. Until then, Usama, take care. Bye.